How's it going, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you are newer, hit that subscribe button to support your boys. Today we are working on the Ram 2500. We got our cab right over here, and we got a bunch of work on our hands. We're pretty much going to start off with jumping on the interior, get everything stripped out, and then we'll move on to the front end. So stay tuned. Oh yeah, boys, we're getting a little ride right here. Had to add some weight for the loader to get it. So this right here is the donor cab. We're fixing to load it up on the trailer and head back to the house. Heck yeah. There we go. Big shout out to Mike here at the Bohannon's yard. We got it all loaded up. Now let's strap it in and head back to the house. All right guys, so we made it back home. We're about to unload it inside the garage. We're probably gonna get it on some wheel dollies or something. It's gonna be a little tricky getting it unloaded since we don't have a forklift or anything like that. But I think we could come up with something. And right off the bat, we got the hood off just to lighten it up just a little bit. Since we don't have a forklift to get this off, we are using some of these pipes as rollers right over here, and we're just gonna try to push it off. We got a strap in the front holding that just in case it goes a little bit too far. So let's go ahead and get this in the garage. Oh, there we go. Stan the man and Bubba right here putting in some work. The cab is coming off pretty smooth actually. What's up guys? Next day here, and we got the seats, the center console, and the dash out of the truck. So let's go ahead and grab the shop vac, clean this mess up real quick, rip the carpet out, and just keep moving right along. Let's get started.
We both have thoughts of leaving. We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it.
Guys, so we got the floor mat out of the cab and we got left with a lot of good parts. We got the headliner, the roof airbags, the seat belts are still good, and we are going to save a little bit of money there because ours were all deployed. If everything fits up, of course. But for now, let's go ahead and jump on this front end. And as you can see, the truck was wrecked up here. We got some damage on the apron right here. So if anything, we are going to have to replace those. But that's something that we could take care of. Let's go ahead and get started and start ripping this thing apart.
What you sniffing over there, Bruno?
Oh, Bruno's always supervising, making sure work gets done.
Yes, sir. Ain't that right, Bruno?
Oh, this probably goes to the heater box. We're just gonna have to cut that. Yeah, we don't have much more, and it does look like the aprons are bent on both sides. We got some damage right over here, and it's kinked right over there. So we're probably just gonna order those new. They're really inexpensive at the dealer. I think they're like $100 a piece, and we'll get those welded on.
Personally, I was thinking Nardo Grey for the truck would look sick. Let us know what you guys think.
That's how you gotta do it. I'm probably just gonna have to cut the main harness, but I was wanting to save the dash harness just in case, you know, you might need it one day. But pretty spacious inside the engine bay, so it's a lot easier to work around with. Let's just keep going.
Dude, I can't wait till we're already going to be painting this.
All right, guys, that's a wrap for this episode. We got a lot of work done on the donor cab for the Ram 2500. We pretty much got this thing all stripped down, and we have a better idea on what we need to get on order. So come Monday morning, I'm going to order both aprons from the dealer so we can get started on that. But pretty much in the next episode, we're going to go ahead and cut the front windshield out in the rear glass and start on all the body work on the cab. We got a lot of damage right here on this rocker, especially on that right side. The junkyard was kind of rough with it and dropped it on the ground, but that's something that we could take care of. With all this said, thank you guys for all the love and support. And if you are new on the channel, hit that subscribe button to support your boys. Follow us on Instagram at Danny.TV. The link is in the description. Let me know your thoughts and suggestions down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end, and I'm out. I'll catch you in the next one.
We'll be right back.